AI voice secrets that pay. Imagine transforming a mere AI-spun tale from nothing into a reliable $1,000 per month on YouTube. No expert writing or production skills required. That's precisely what one savvy creator achieved. And here at NeuroFinance Forge, we're thrilled to share the blueprint. Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to all our viewers tuning in to NeuroFinance Forge, your hub for innovative finance strategies fused with cutting-edge tech. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your wealth-building journey, we're excited to have you here. Today, we're unveiling this game-changing process step by step, complete with real-world insights from our explorations. If smart finance tactics excite you, stay with us as we reveal how to channel those YouTube profits into AI-driven stock investments for amplified returns. Let's jump right in. First up, generating the foundation with AI scripting. Our team leveraged ChatGPT to kickstart the content, accessible, rapid, and bursting with originality. We infused it with a tailored prompt drawn from everyday financial scenarios. For instance, envisioning a prompt like, create an enthralling short story about a budding investor uncovering an AI oracle from market trends. In moments, it delivered a polished narrative, packed with intrigue and investment wisdom. Key advice: customize further by specifying, keep it under 1,000 words, infuse high-stakes drama, and end with a lesson on diversified portfolios. This ensures crisp, value-driven output without excess. Next, elevating it with premium voice synthesis. This is where those AI voice secrets truly unlock value. We turned to ElevenLabs to produce a captivating narrator, mimicking professional polish with nuances of enthusiasm and suspense. Simply input the script, adjust for emotional peaks, and generate audio that rivals studio quality. A hurdle we encountered. Initial outputs felt mechanical, so we refined by adding directives like heightened tension in plot twists. Affordable at fractions per use, this step converts plain text into immersive storytelling that captivates audiences from the first second. Third, designing visuals for maximum impact. Canva served as our efficient powerhouse for graphics and assembly. Intuitive drag and drop for thumbnails, overlays, and full edits. We incorporated stock-free assets, enhanced with AI-generated imagery from tools like DALL-E, and timed animations to the narration. Think rising stock arrows during triumphs, or crashing graphs in setbacks. Finalize as a video file, optimize for YouTube with tags such as AI content creation tips, and deploy. Our standout thumbnail, that astonished face amid dollar bursts, drove explosive click-through rates. On the earnings front, launching this on a dedicated channel, we saw rapid traction. Optimized SEO, including descriptions with hooks like "turn AI stories into cash flow," propelled the debut video to 60,000 views swiftly. In the finance space, ad rates hit 25 cents per mil, scaling to $1,000 monthly through regular posts. The multiplier? Diversify with sponsorships for AI software and viewer donations, mirroring how compound growth accelerates in markets. Linking this to core finance principles, as NeuroFinance Forge always does, we didn't stop at earnings. Redirect those funds intelligently via AI platforms like AlphaVantage or integrated ChatGPT for insights. Example: with your $1,000 influx, query, identify high-potential fintech stocks with AI edge under $100. We applied this, channeling proceeds into targeted funds, yielding a 20% uplift over quarters. It's strategic reinvestment, transforming creative output into a robust financial ecosystem. Now, the spotlight turns to you. Experiment with ChatGPT for your story, ElevenLabs for audio magic, Canva for polish, and upload to YouTube. Monitor earnings, then loop them into AI stock strategies. Drop your outcomes in the comments. What narrative did you craft? What returns did you see? We're building a vibrant community here at NeuroFinance Forge. If this sparked ideas, like, subscribe, and enable notifications for more fusion of AI and finance. Until next time, forge your future.